Hello, students. These things you have to prepare for your online test, just like the meanings. Okay, meanings you have to prepare. As you people know that you are going to get the multiple choice question. Okay, so no need to prepare the much lengthier answers, isn't? You have to prepare just like the who is the writer of the poem. Okay, who is the poet of the poem of the that is with her friend. Okay, so whatever the poems are there in your syllabus, I think one this is the poem. Okay, so you have to learn the writer name, that who has written this poem. This is written by Vivian Gould. This should be known to you. Meanings. Okay, this you have to learn from the first chapter. And here answers you have to learn that contain one word or the one line. No need to learn the lengthier answers. Okay, for example, you can learn the first answer, second also, and the third also. Now these exercises you have to prepare: opposites, rhyming words. These two you have to prepare for your test. And these also, that unscramble the letters to make the meaningful words. These things you have to prepare for your test. And from here also, for example, this sentence will be written there, and you have to identify that the sentence belongs to which kind. Okay, four options will be given there, whether it's a statement, question, imperative, or the exclamatory. So you have to choose the correct one. Okay, now from the second chapter also you have to prepare the meanings. And take the correct options, especially this one. Take the correct option, this you have to prepare. And here the match the words with the chapters. Here actually these are the word meanings. Okay, so you have to prepare this thing very thoroughly, because this match the column, it will come under the choose the correct option. So you have to prepare this one. Now here you have to learn change the following sentences into the simple past. Okay, so it will come under just like what's the second form of this verb. Okay, that you have to prepare. From this it can come that what is the second form of the see, that is saw, do, did, like this. Okay, so this you have to prepare from this. And from the third chapter, as usual, you should know the name of the poet, that who is the writer of the poem. That is the Rain in Summer, that is a Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Okay, and these two meanings are there, it should be known to you. Then from here, no need to prepare the answers. Okay, no need to prepare the answers. You have to prepare this one for your online test. This one already I sent the PDF. And here write the plurals. This should be known to you. Plurals and these collective nouns mean the exercise portion you have to prepare. Okay, and some BTL questions are also there for your test, because as you people know that multiple choice questions are not much in your syllabus, isn't? So I have given some questions from the BTL also. If you are going to attempt the questions very sincerely and carefully, very easily you will be able to do it. So prepare the exercises thoroughly. And now come to the grammar book. Okay, in grammar we have completed the two chapters. First is sentence, and the second is that is noun. So these two chapters you have to prepare. Now in the first chapter, like this, it can come definitions can come in the form of fill in the blanks, that which type of sentence they are. Okay, it can come. This you have to prepare. A dash is a group of words that make a complete sense. Okay, some options will be there. So like this questions can come. Now in the exercise here, this you have to prepare. Okay, it means here you have to identify the kind of sentence. It can come in the test. And this one here you have to identify the subject and the predicate. So might be the subject sentence will be given there, and in the given sentence you have to identify the subject. It can come. No need to prepare this one, because this is the sentence writing. This can come. Pick out the noun. And this can be also asked, that identify it from this or this, that Mahatma Gandhi is a which noun. It's a common noun or proper noun. Doctor is which noun. Okay, so in this form it can come. This thing also collective noun. Please learn it thoroughly. And this one also. Okay, so exercises portion you have to prepare very thoroughly. Okay, so this was the syllabus for your online test. Thank you.